स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we will talk about the book for the BBA entrance such as IPMAT, that is Integrated Program in Management Aptitude Test conducted by IIM Indore, and PAT, that is NMIMS program after 12th set for Symbiosis, Christ for Christ Universities and the others. So friends, here is the biggest question of all students or all candidates is which is the best book for the preparations. So let's talk about it. So friends, सबसे बड़ा सवाल आता है कि किस बुक से पढ़ना चाहिए, राइट? एंड आई गॉट लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज अबाउट बुक्स और स्टडी मटेरियल. सो देर आर मेनी बुक्स इन द मार्केट. वन रेफर्स फॉर द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, बट टेल मी, आर यू satisfied with content of book? There is big no, because there are so many and it is quite difficult to choose one of the best book, as one have some topics, other have some solutions, one have question answers but not the solution, some have question answer with solution but no shortcut tricks. So friends, in the market you will get different books for each section, right? And it doesn't matches the difficulty level also. And you also get some books which have the combination of all section, like one in all. But friends, in these books one can't get the enough data which can satisfy your queries. सो फ्रेंड्स, ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन हम सबसे ज्यादा कंफ्यूज होते हैं इसी बात पर कौन सी बुक पढ़नी चाहिए और कौन सी नहीं. सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी टेल यू, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट that your study material teaches you like a childhood story which you can't forget. So here we come up with all relevant data, all question answer with solution respect to each topic section wise, like English, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, data interpretation and the general studies, where you can get easy to moderate to difficult levels. So you can learn from the basic to advanced level, so that even if you got difficult question you can easily manage it. And friends, the best thing is यहाँ कोई बिग नो नहीं है एंड यहाँ कोई वन इन ऑल भी नहीं है, क्योंकि गाइज यही इजी होता है ना, that you have a complete book for each section, where in the each section you will get each topic fully covered, like in English, verbal ability, grammars, and there are various topics which are founded in such a way that it can be easily grabbed by you, and like interaction and syllogism, coding, decoding. In the reasoning, the toughest one, quantitative aptitude. So here you will get the easy to easy method to solve the moderate to difficult level of question, the data interpretation and the general studies, which include all the static and the current affairs. So guys, to get all these books, visit at manueredu.com/BBA entrance, or you can call us on 8828581455. So how to get the books? So simply visit manueredu.com and you can call on relevant number. The all contact information and the website detail I mentioned in the description. So kindly check the description box. And once you order the books, it will be get delivered within working 7 days at your doorstep. So friends, don't confuse about the books. And here is the one and only solution. You have to come at manueredu.com. Here you will see the buy online section. Then you have to come to the BBA entrance and you will see the complete program details here, like full course, book, study materials, mock test and the sectional course. So guys, you have to click on the study materials and here you will see the complete set of 5 books for all BBA entrance exams like IPMAT, NPAT, SET, TISBAT, DUJAT and others. So you can go to view details and these are the books section wise. So simply add to cart and submit your further details. And friends, don't forget about the details of your address so that it can be easily delivered at your home. So friends, this is all about the books. If you wanna join our full course, then here is the complete program detail where you can get IPM and BBA entrance 2021, where you will get the online live lectures, mock tests and practice handout. So here you can get complete fundamental concepts, all the shortcut tricks, the mentorship, guidance and all the cognitive processes which boost your hard work so that you can easily crack your entrance exam. So guys, here is the complete detail about the entrance exam. You can choose anyone or you can choose the combination package also. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you have any query, you can ask here or you can watch our demo videos here. So friends, due to the pandemic situation, don't stop your preparation. Kickstart the preparation button, and to crack BBA entrance, join Maneuver online program where you can get the books, mock test, sectional wise courses and the full course as well. You can also attend our live lectures. So visit at manueredu.com/BBA entrance or you can call us on 882858 1455. If you are Mumbai based, you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. Thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.